poppin' YouTube world? Your boy Justin here again as always, aka Adobe One Kenobi, back with another YouTube tutorial, looking like your grandmother's mechanic. Now I'm rushing through this intro because today we're gonna try and touch on 5 trippy music video effects that you can achieve within Premiere Pro in under 90 seconds. So let's roll that timer and jump right into it. Alright, find the clip you want to work with, duplicate it, go to your effects panel, search for horizontal flip, put that on the top layer, scale it up, reposition it, and then select hard light as your blending mode. Alright, find where you want the effect in your clip, make a cut, go to your effects, search Posterize Time, drop it on the clip, and then set it to 5 frames per second, and then add an overlay with the blending mode screen. Alright, select your clip, search tint in the effects panel, drop it on your clip, and then you can change either the black or whites to any color you want. I'm going to use red. Alright, select your clip, go and search VR Glow in the effects panel, drop it on, and then basically just readjust the Luma threshold. I put it to about 0.50, and then you can select a specific color for the light. So select your clip, go up to the effects panel, search mirror, drop it on there twice, set the first reflection angle to 90, the second one to 180, reposition them as you please, and then you can overall scale the entire clip up as well. And there you have it, folks, 5 trippy music video effects that you can do right now inside Premiere Pro. And I'm pretty sure if I was successful, we did it in under 90 seconds. And if not, write me an angry email. I don't care. So do me a favor, if you enjoyed today's video, leave a thumbs up. Let me know your favorite effect in the comment. And finally, please subscribe. I post every Thursday and as much more as possible. So until next time, peace out.